In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving the image description reminder on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you find that reminder annoying or unnecessary, this setting can turn it off so your experience feels a little cleaner and less distracting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change this setting. On the left side of the screen, look for More in the navigation bar and click it. This opens up the full menu with additional options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X.com keeps most of your account preferences, privacy controls, and accessibility settings. Next, click Accessibility, Display and Languages. This section includes settings related to how content appears and how the platform behaves for you. Once that opens, click Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, you'll see different options that affect reminders and content display. Now look for Receive Image Description Reminder. You should see a toggle next to it. Simply switch it off. As soon as you turn that off, you should no longer receive the image description reminder on X.com. That's all there is to it. A very quick change, but one that can make the platform feel a lot more streamlined if you don't need that prompt showing up anymore. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.